How to edit Instagram story after posting. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can edit Instagram story after posting. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch your Instagram application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. After that, head towards your story section by tapping on your story at the top left corner from your home page. So once you land on your story, if you tap on the three dots icon at the bottom right corner, here there is no any option to edit this story once you have posted it. So unfortunately, once you have posted on Instagram story, you cannot directly edit the content such as changing the text, stickers or images within the story. However, you can delete and repost the story. So from here, simply tap on delete and here confirm it. After that, you have to make the changes to the image that you want to post it again. So edit your image and then again tap on your story at the top left, and here you have to select your edited image right here and then simply tap on post from the bottom right corner. That's gonna upload your new story with your edit. So that's the only way to edit your Instagram story after posting. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.